Maybe the biggest challenge with learning guitar and staying with it is, what's the purpose? Where are you going with this? I'll show you a path you can take, and then it'll branch off into some other paths. You got to set goals, small goals. So most people start off because they want to learn guitar. Okay, well, what does that mean to learn guitar? That could mean realistically 100 things. Other people start off because they want to play guitar. What does that mean? That could mean many things. Do you want to learn a song? For what? To play at a campfire? To record? You have to know what your goals are. For me, at this point in my musical stage, I'm using guitar for stress and anxiety and recovery from PTSD. Put all that aside, I'm playing guitar because it feels good. Helps me remain pretty calm, pretty content, and pretty happy. All that being said, if I had to be tactical, you start like this. You get any guitar. This is my first guitar. I got it from a priest. Then you have to learn the strings, E, A, D, G, B, E. Then you have to learn how to tune the strings so you can get a tuner. Use your phone, use an app, use a device. Once you learn how to tune it, you might start branching off then. So E, way up here on the 12th fret, E. If they don't match up, well, that's called intonation. So you'll start learning vocab. By the way, I have a course with all this stuff in it for beginners. I'll link it in the description. As you progress on your journey, you'll learn new words. And one of the words you'll learn is a chord. So for me, I started off with a C note and a C chord and a D note and a D chord. And then I used the combination of those two for meditations. I didn't pick up guitar to get better at music. I picked it up because my mind wouldn't stop racing. That's a whole nother story. Once you start learning chords, then you might start writing songs. That's what I started to do. I turned my journals and my poetry into music. I started to record the music. If you're interested, let me know. I can show you the backside of my musical stuff. I earn royalties. I registered it on ASCAP. I have Pandora, Spotify, all this other stuff. But really, what's the next step for you? You might start learning bar chords. After you learn bar chords, you might start connecting the shapes of the chords into scales. You may not be ready for scales. You might start learning tricks within the chords, like how to hammer on and pull off just within that chord. So you have many options at that point. The catch is, how are you going to stay with it? So you have to identify your goals, and I would start small, because once you achieve that goal, you get kind of a dopamine hit, like, I did it. Now what? Okay, then now you move on to the next orbit, if you will. And it is truly a journey because there's really no end to it. You might get a different guitar. You might add harmonica, but there are many paths to take from there. Here's the main point. Establish the habit. And then once you establish the habit, then you can improve. For me, it's about 5-10 minutes a day. I'm using guitar for breathwork and meditation. And then, yeah, you get better at guitar in the process. Just be aware, if you're new here, this isn't a guitar channel necessarily. It is a nervous system reset, anxiety, serenity, recovery channel. All right, thanks for stopping by. Spread the good news. If you have anxiety or PTSD or addiction, there's a solution. And it starts with breath work, in my opinion. And we add guitar.
Like this.